Dekor Plus Diaper Pail Refills. Most economical refill by Dekor is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Diaper Dekor Plus Refill 2-pack. Check out Diaper Dekor Plus refills for your Diaper Dekor diaper disposal system. These refill liners are powder-scented, strong, and easy to use, plus their ingenious design means less emptying. These refills are designed as a single, long continuous liner, which means you can change as frequently or as infrequently as you want. You're in total control of how much refill you use each time you empty your Diaper Dekor pail. Empty after one really smelly change or wait until your pail is totally stuffed. These refills are ultra tough on odors, but remember that emptying more often will help keep odors in your nursery under control. These refills are made of 20% recycled materials, so even though you're using disposable diapers, your refill will be easier on landfills and the environment. If you want to be extra conscious, Diaper Dekor also makes biodegradable refills, which break down faster than the regular refills. Because these refills hold a whopping 1,160 diapers, that's a ton more diapers than the leading competitor, they'll save you money. Considering you'll make over 5,000 diaper changes over the course of your baby's life, you should choose the most economical refill available. How do Diaper Dekor Plus refills stack up against the competition? These refills hold almost twice as many diapers per refill than the Diaper Genie II Elite Pail. That's a lot of diapers. So, what size refill should you choose? First, know which size Dekor pail you own, Classic, Plus, or XL, then check the information on the inside of your pail's front service door. The size of your liner should match the size of the pail on the inside of your service door. Here's a handy tip, plus-size refills are compatible with all of the plus-size pails in the Dekor line. Packaging may vary. Please note, Diaper Dekor has recently changed their packaging so the product you receive may not be as pictured. The products themselves will remain the same. It is made of strong material that helps in keeping the nursery clean and free from unpleasant odors. Each refill pack can hold up to 670 diapers and is extremely easy to use. It can help in keeping your baby's nursery free from unwanted smells and trash. Changing the Diaper Dekor refill is quick and easy. Just pull out the refill cartridge, slip a refill over, and replace the cartridge in the pail. Pull down the refill, tie a knot, and you're done. Recommended age: for use with the Diaper Dekor Plus pail features, huge capacity makes them extremely economical. Each refill bag liner holds up to 670 diapers. 2-pack. Use with Dekor Plus hands-free diaper pail. No preset perforations or bag size. Empty as often as you want, use only as much refill as needed. New end of liner marking, helpful reminder before you run out. Fresh powder scent helps neutralize odors. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 1,160 newborn diapers.